How you can fix the problem when you can't link your Facebook to Garena in Call of Duty Mobile. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So let's get started. First, go to your phone settings. Find the Facebook app there. Tap on it and then tap on Storage. Now tap on Clear Cache and Clear Data. This helps remove old files that might be causing problems. Next, make sure your Facebook app is updated. Go to the App Store on your phone, search for Facebook and see if there's an update. If there is, install it. Now open the Facebook app and log in again. Make sure your internet connection is working well. You can try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see which works better. Then open Call of Duty Mobile. Go to the settings in the game, find the account section, and unlink your Facebook account if it's already linked. After that, try linking it again. This can help reset the connection between the game and Facebook. If you're still having trouble, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling both the Facebook app and Call of Duty Mobile. Sometimes starting fresh can fix hidden issues. And that's it. That's how you can fix the problem when you can't link your Facebook to Garena in Call of Duty Mobile.